So once you flipped your bag inside out, on the inside where we left the 4-inch seam open, you're going to grab the corner where we made the flat bottom of the bag. Get the triangle part out of the exterior and the lining bag. So once you find the triangle pieces that made the flat bottom, you're gonna find the lining part and the exterior part and put them together, just as shown in the directions. And you're just going to tack it on the edge of the triangle part. You're gonna do this on the left side of the bag inside and also on the right side of the bag as well. So I'm gonna pin it. And I'm gonna find the other side of the bag as well. So once you find the two corners, you're going to sew them together at the tip of the triangle. So you're gonna put it in. And you're going to tack it, which you're gonna sew it a few times across. And backwards. And forward and backwards. Like that. So once you have the two corners tacked, you're gonna put them back in the hole. And you're going to make sure the four corners are flat, have a flat bottom. And then you're going to iron the top flat and just add a top stitch going around the whole bag. So once you've ironed the top of your bag, you're going to add a top stitch 1/8 to 1/4 on top. You want to back stitch and sew the top seam of the bag. And when you're done with that, you're going to close the lining seam that we had open for the 4 inches. You're just going to put it together and just make one seam using the same color thread on top. So this is what your bag would look like when it's done with the top stitch here. And the inside of your bag, using the same thread as your lining to close it off, like so. So it looks like this and that.